In our previous video, we showed how we drove from Jackson, Wyoming, all the way through Yellowstone National Park up to Gardner, Montana, and established our base camp at Timber Camp up the Jardine Mountain. Enjoy this video as we showcase Jardine, Yellowstone, Gardner, and Ennis, Montana. That's crossing over on that bridge over there, but he's crippled, can barely walk, so we have to wait for his slow moving self to cross. Up a little tri-tip burgers and some sausage and some boudin for whenever Ethan gets off of work. But we have to cook inside of the gazebo tent because the deer flies are acting the fool. They are incessant. They will not give up. We probably killed 1,000. Maybe more. Maybe more. this restaurant is the Ennis Sunrise Cafe, and they serve breakfast. So, if it's the Ennis Sunrise Cafe, what time should they be opening?
Well, I would think at least by 6 a.m.
Sunrise over here is like 5:15.
Right.
So even then, I would say 5. 8 a.m. Okay, did it. Just saying. Stay tuned. We're going to have an entire video of outtakes of me saying GoPro turn off and other random things that happen while we're on this trip. Oh my God. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, if you ever watched any old Burt Reynolds movies and you waited till the end, stay tuned.
Today is Wednesday, June 30th. Today was kind of a low-key day. We drove out to Ennis, Montana.
Before that, we did
we did Johnny Boy Ridge, which I got this trail off of a subscription that I have from trailsoffroad.com. It's a really good site to get different trails and things, especially if you're not from the area. So it was supposed to be a really great route. You go up, you're on the top of the ridge, you got a great view of the whole valley. Well, we get about halfway up and there's a gate. I thought maybe, one of them gates that you just go through as long as you close it. No, closed and locked. Only snowmobiles. I don't know. I was disappointed. So we came down through there and then we went to Ennis. I'd been looking forward to going to Ennis. I had been following the Burnt Tree Brewery on Instagram. Really excited to go there. Last year we had gone through Ennis on our way into Yellowstone from Glacier. And it looked like such a cute little cowboy town. I mean, we pulled into this gas station. There's legit cowboys in the gas station. I'm talking chaps, I'm talking hats and buckles and the horse trailers out in the parking lot. So I'm thinking it's straight up cowboy town.
Looks can be deceiving.
It's a cute town. And it was packed with people. There was hardly any parking. We go to Burnt Tree Brewery. That's the first place that we go. And it feels like it's a brand new place. It still smelled like wood. It was just a hipster. The guy that's working it got the twirly mustache and
flat brim hat. Nice fella. I mean,
oh yeah, very nice.
Very nice. Just the vibe was not what we thought it would be.
No. So then we walked down the street to get some food because I wasn't paying $15 for an individual serving pizza, margarita pizza. Just not going to happen. Walked down. I don't even know the name of that place. It's some little cafe.
Ryan's?
No, I don't know. I'll look it up. Anyway, burgers and onion rings and french fries. Food was fantastic. I'm enjoying my burger. It's so great. And these people come in, sit at the table next to us, and start coughing. Coughing. They won't stop freaking coughing. Sniffing and coughing. Every time I would go to take a bite of my burger, it freaking coughed. I couldn't even eat. I'm sure they don't have COVID, but if I get COVID, it's because of those freaking idiots. I'm pretty salty about that. The food was good, though. And reasonably priced. Did you like your food?
Yeah, it was okay.
The burger was good.
Yeah, it was good.
I don't know if they made the burgers there. I know they didn't make the onion rings there. I saw a Cisco truck, so I'm sure they made their food at Cisco.
Yeah, everything was probably shipped in there, but it was okay.
Then after that, we went to this soda fountain. You know those old-fashioned soda fountain things. And they had...
Huckleberry.
Their specialty is fruit pies.
Yeah.
Well, I don't like cherry pie. Cherries must be in season. I like berries, but I don't like berries in a pie because it's always going to be blackberries and that's just full of seeds. So I got huckleberry cream pie, which was fantastic. He got a vanilla malt. And then they give you the overflow and the extra that they mix it up in. It was really good. It was so hot in there. They had no air conditioner. Their ice maker was out. It was super packed with a bunch of random old people and nobody was local.
And the table next to us had a lot of drama.
Teenage drama, whatever. Nobody was local except the poor people that were working. Oh my God. They had little kids, waiting tables.
We just walked around. I don't know. I was really disappointed because I thought that Ennis, Montana was going to be more of a cowboy town instead of a hipster / tourist town.
It's more tourist than hipster, I think.
There's nothing to see though for
I know.
tourists.
It was just a lot of random people.
In a few days, when Ethan has his days off, we have plans to go up to Virginia City and Nevada City, and I'm almost afraid that it's going to be just like that.
I hope it isn't.
But in Virginia City is the oldest bar in Montana, so at least there's that.
We're definitely going to have a drink.
Oh, for sure. Supposedly they have food there too. We'll see. So tomorrow is Ethan's birthday, July 1st. My boy will be turning 23. I will be making his favorite dinner, which is some crazy casserole thing that we've been making since we went low carb. It's just ground pork and mushrooms and cream cheese. And it's nothing. It's like a nothing dish. But he loves this so much. It's his birthday, so I'm going to make the campfire edition. Well, I'm going to make it on the stove. We'll see how it goes.
Stove, whatever.
We'll see how it goes. But we're not waking up early tomorrow. We don't have any plans tomorrow. We're going to just hang out and explore this area. There's a cemetery down the road, which looks really cool. We're going to go check it out. There's a bunch of old mining stuff. We're going to walk down there because there's a trail. Well, it's really a horse trail, but we're going to walk it. We're going to check it out. There's a couple of other forest roads that go off. Hopefully they're not too rough, but we're going to go check it out. See what we see. But we're waiting for the rain right now. It's been threatening. It's so dry here in Montana. It is so dry. They're not in no fires yet, like no fire restrictions, but it's coming because it's so dry.
It's very, very dusty, very dry.
I've never seen it this dry. I've never seen it this hot. It was 97 degrees today. That's the kind of temperatures of Louisiana. At least the only saving grace is it gets cold in the night. It's going to be chilly tonight. It's like 40 at night, so I get kind of cold. I don't want to get up in the morning because it's too cold.
I'll get up and start the coffee.
Bring me coffee in bed tomorrow.
Okay.
So until tomorrow, when I do plan to make coffee, and we are supposed to have steak and eggs and hash browns tomorrow for breakfast. Hopefully the deer flies won't attack us too much. Oh, forgot to tell you guys, we came back from our trip and one of our bug tents was turned over. I swear I thought a bear had got it because that's the tent that we cook in. No, wind had blown it. I guess a storm came and a wind had blown it. But there was like 1 million horseflies in the tent because it was on its side. So there was just in there. We had to, well, when I say we, I mean he had to kill like 100 deer flies.
I enjoyed it.
We have that electric buzzer thing that we kill them with. Looks like a tennis racket.
I swatted them a lot.
So until tomorrow morning, good night. We'll see you tomorrow.